I put handle grips on the Boulevard here. These handle grips you can get on eBay. I think they cost about $40. And they were pretty easy to put on. I'm sorry I didn't keep the video on how to put them on. I'm a novice, so I just learnt as I went. Just go underneath here and take out the screw here and this screw here. Don't need to touch this one. This will unclip. Take the two cables out from the handle grip, the original ones, and then it just slides out. Slides out really easy. Then you slide this one in. Now this one's a bit grippy, so you can see that it doesn't retract back, but I actually like it because now when I'm riding, it stays there a little longer. And I also like this little feature here, which you can change by unscrewing the screws inside here. Change that around to any position you want, but for me that's it there. Then when you put this on, here's the trick. There is a little hole inside the handlebar, just in here, and a little groove that's inside this mechanism needs to sit inside the hole, which stops this from moving around. I didn't realize that, so I was spending like 10 minutes on figuring out how to close this housing here so that it's just like that there. Anyway, found that out, screwed it up, all good. Then on this side, getting the original handlebar off, handle grip off this was easy as well. It had a side cap, and I could just use my hand and it just turned and came off. But if you don't have if it's too tight, then just get some grippers and put a cloth around the grip. A cloth around the end. Get your grip that goes around the cloth so you don't damage the end of your handle grip, although you don't need it, in case you want to put it back on later. Then you just turn it, it comes off, and then you just jam this one on. I put a little bit of glue, just a little bit at the end here, slide it in, and it's nice and firm. And there you go, enjoy. Makes a big difference, go and do it.